Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see Microsoft Excel file performance issue and how to fix this issue. Okay, so today I'm having a one sample file. Before opening this file, I just want to show how much MB this file and what data it contains. It's around 3.74 MB and this is created on 2012 actually, but here we are able to see it shows 2021. I don't know why. Anyway, the file information it will show after opening this file. This is the Excel less file. It supported 97 2003 worksheet, means Microsoft Excel. It's a old version, so it's created long back actually. So but it shows here it's 21 something, not a problem, leave this one. And before opening this file, I want to show this configuration of this computer also. I think I have to be so this i5 10th generation processor with 8 GB of RAM, Windows 10 Professional Edition. Okay, so let's open this file now. So in this file contains nothing, some format is there, that also I'm going to delete actually, because without data it's still taking so much of time for this i5 10th generation. Here we have some 5 sheets, but for this sheet also still it's hanging. Yeah, it's opened. So these are the blank sheets, but some format is there, so that also I can remove actually. I'm going to select everything, so I'm just deleting. So it's not happening, I'm trying again. Yeah, it's deleted. So this sheet also I'm going to delete. So for complete understanding, I'm going to delete all the sheet. And this will be a blank, it should be a blank actually. Okay, so still it's hanging actually. So I'm into sheet 3, so I already given control home, but still it's nothing happened. The sheet is hanged actually. So these kind of issues should come actually. Okay, so yeah, now it's came. So control A and control minus, so done almost. So, okay, so I'm going to go home. Okay, great, but still it's hanging. Okay, yeah, I'm just trying to home, save. After complete removing of data and formats, still it's hanging actually. You can see the Excel sheet is taking time and still it's hanging. Okay, so now how to fix this issue, that is the main thing. Okay, so now you have to press F5. After pressing F5, you have to click specials. In this specials, actually for this low performance issue, the main thing is the objects. Some hidden objects will be there in the sheet, so that will create automatically. I think I don't have any explanation how it is creating, but it's creating actually. That is the reason, if you're working on the same sheet for a long time, so these type of issues you may face actually. Okay, so that objects we have to remove. Once you remove these objects, this issue will be permanently fixed. Okay, so I'm going to select these objects. So now you can see some objects are selected here, and maybe in down also it may be there, but not sure. Okay, so just delete and go to second sheet. So in the same workbook, how many sheets are there, you have to do the same thing for all the sheets. So now I'm going to press F5, and again you have to click specials, select objects, click OK. So I think so many objects are in this sheet too, but not visible for me. I think sheet is hanged again. So yeah, still it's working on background. Yeah, it started hanging. I think the low configuration system, this also you unable to do. I think some of the object is found somewhere here. So just click delete button. So it started deleting. I think it's still hanged actually. So no option, you have to wait. So the same thing you have to do it for all the sheets which is in the same workbook which is hanging. Okay, so we'll wait. No on. So your system is low configuration, and if you can't able to do this activity, so you can send the same sheet to some other your colleagues with your which is the system is high configuration, so they can do the same, and they can give the clear sheet to back to you. Okay, so that is the one available option is there for you. But if any sheet is confidential, that also you can't able to do it. So we have to procure a new system with high configuration, at least minimum i5 with 8 GB. So it's taking more time, so I may skip this video for some few minutes then. Okay, I think all the objects are cleared in sheet 2. The same thing I have to go to do for the sheet 3 specials objects. Click OK. No object found, not a problem. So now the sheet 3 is clear, and I'm going to do the same for going to press F5 for sheet 4. Select object, no objects, not a problem. The same thing you have to do it again for another sheet. There is a last sheet. I think some few objects are there. Just click delete and save this file. I think you can see now how much fast it is saved, and just go to see the properties. It's just a 44 KB file with object. It is showing 3.75 MB file, MB of size. Okay, so these kind of issues will come, and you can fix by removing the unknown hidden objects by find out the object, and you can delete those objects. So I think that's for the video. Thank you for watching, and if any queries, please comment. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching again. Yeah, thank you. Bye.